What's up, guys? We're here at the U-Haul rental, and we're gonna help Josh Mason move today. Alright, we're here at the U-Haul, and it turns out Josh has either a pickup truck rented, we could do that, or this massive semi-truck looking thing. So what to do? Alright, so somebody fucked up. We're leaving U-Haul. I don't know what happened, but got the wrong truck. So now we're here at Doherty's getting another truck. It's moving day here. Oh yeah! Now here we go. Driving, shooting, and paying attention to my map all at the same time. What can he not do? What can he not do? Moving day with Josh Mason.
You got the camera?
Yeah.
Are you? That's a good idea. Yeah, that's the Detox trunk. Vitamix, juicer, distiller, foam roller, ozone machine.
Not an unhealthy thing in here.
Oh, you think this is food? It's a psoas releaser.
Surprise, motherfuckers.
And just when you think it would just be an ordinary shoe, no. This shoe, it has a specific foot shape for maximum lymphatic.
Wow. Ultimate. You should just auction your car off right now.
Hey, do you want some mystery suppositories? I have no idea what they are.
Really?
And I have no idea the doses, and there's about probably upwards of 40 different ingredients in here.
Dude, I mean,
go ahead.
I'll take
It's
some.
like Russian roulette. You kill a bunch of parasites, maybe chelate some metals.
Yeah, who knows?
Well, you should take them. Who thought this movie was
Soldier down.
easy?
Yeah, just clean up the glass with your hands. It's moving day, and Josh is over here on Facebook. When I'm supposed to be.
I was on Instagram, not Facebook.
Oh, sorry. Damn, look at the transformation.
Detox dudes went from 5,000 subscribers to 24,000 here.
Yeah.
Everything grew like crazy, helped a lot of people, made a lot of videos against that wall right there. Did a lot of back exercises right here. And I ate a lot of meals right here. Cooked up a lot of beautiful recipes in there.
It's right here
Course
too.
right there. A lot of fecal matter came out of that toilet right there. A lot of bowel movements.
Oh man. Got any left in there? Oh no, it's okay. No.
Slept like a baby here. Cried a lot of times in that place too. Oh wow, a lot of herbs here. I'm gonna miss this. We had a tree collar going here. I had cucumber, I had cayenne pepper, chard, chicory. This chicory's perfect to eat right now. The roots are ready to show. Allison will reap the benefits of all of this. Roots are gonna be ready. The Hosha Wu's gonna be ready.
Golden Gate Bridge.
Golden Gate.
It's tough on the camera. You really can't see how badass it is, but I mean, you can see it, but wow, in person, it's just unreal.
Oh boy, this is the most emotional I've ever been leaving somewhere. Leaving New Jersey was easy because I hated New Jersey. Leaving Portland was easy because I didn't have any good connections there and nothing was flowing as well. Leaving here is like leaving a magical, perfect place where everything magical and beautiful happened, and I'm following some sort of other line. It's like I know this is perfect, but there was all of these signs and synchronicities to know that I should be in this next place, and I should be living with this woman, Sydney, and that it's gonna help the movement grow and help dive deeper. Like for instance, my next retreat's gonna be at my home. I could never run a retreat here. So I feel like part of me feels like I'm crazy for leaving because of how perfect this place is. And then the other part of me knows that I'm moving into something bigger and to help grow this mission. If you really set your roots somewhere and really put intentions into your home, leaving it is like a death.
Yeah.
It's like a tree uprooting. It's like, it's so painful. And the people here, all the connections that I met. I'm only 2 hours away, but still, those 2 hours changed things, you know?
Yeah.
Cried like crazy the past couple of days, just non-stop. Feels like a death. Feels like a death. And I slept here better than I've ever slept. Ever. My whole life, actually. I did so much work here and just like grew and transformed, and just changed and evolved. And the craziest thing is that I never enjoyed it as much as I could have. I remember there were hundreds of times when I was looking out this view and like just trying to be present to the view, but instead I would look for 20 seconds and then I would stop and, okay, and I gotta do this, and this client has this problem, and this supplement is probably gonna be good for this, and oh shit, I gotta take care of that, I gotta pay this bill. And I'm just like going back to all of that and saying, I don't have time for this view. I gotta take care of all these important things, you know? And now, when it comes to the end, you're like, fuck, I didn't just enjoy it. I didn't just stop and breathe and enjoy it. And like, this is how I am with all of my places. All of my places are like, I end up leaving and I'm like, fuck, like, how did I not just enjoy it more, you know? How was I not present more to what is here and just smell and hear the birds? And then the last couple of days I've been like, okay, be super present to it, like, be super and then it's with the trees, and now I'm freaking leaving.
And now it's real sad when you're like, you're present, you're like, oh my god, I'm not gonna have this in 2 days.
And we can remind ourselves hundreds of times, and the noise of getting things done is always louder.
Yeah.
We need like accountability partners, we need like to be disconnected from the internet to stay in that pathway of peace. The internet is, for me, a big hijack from my peace. It also fuels to my life because it allows me to do whatever I want and be anywhere in the world, but I don't have a good balance with it. I need to improve that. Yeah, this is, I'm fearful, right? Because it's the unknown. I'm moving into a situation that I've never experienced. I've never lived with a woman before, and a new place away from my community I've created here, and this is safe. This is super safe and comfortable and like perfect, right? So going to a new place is challenging, and I have an immense amount of fear around it. Fear that I could be making a mistake, right? Fear that it's the wrong decision. Fear that I won't have the level of comfort and peace that I have here. I've had these feelings before. I've never had such a comfortable situation to where it was so hard to leave. I've always had a little itch wherever I was. It was like, okay, I can leave this shit and go to the next place. But here it's super comfortable, so it's like, it's that much more hard to leave, right? But in my life, I get these hits, these pings, these intuitions, and these, it's like a guiding, like almost like the universe hooks me with a fishing line and is like, whoop, whoop, and I'm just like, fuck, no, oh, okay. And I have no idea what's to come. All I can assume is that it's for the highest purpose and for my highest growth and peace and transformation and growth of the business, right? The Detox Students is like a baby that I have, like an entity that literally exists outside of me and in me, and it's like all over me. And it's bigger than me at this point. That's why I call it the Detox Dudes, by the way, because it was never about me. It's about the movement, it's about the detox, it's about health, it's about transformation. So all I can hope for and pray for is that all of this is to continue for the universe to use me as a vehicle to transmit this message to the world. And the bigger this machine entity baby gets, that is the Detox Dudes, the more people that are touched by it. And I just have to be along for the ride, honestly. Yeah.
Okay. The road trip begin. See you at the spot. Peace.
Really set your roots somewhere and really put intentions into your home, leaving it is like a death. It's like death. It's like death.
Hey! Out of the road!
Driving so fucking slow.
Part of me feels like I'm crazy for leaving because of how perfect this place is. And then the other part of me knows that I'm moving into something bigger to help grow this mission, grow this mission, grow
Your destination is on the right.
Oh, there it is. What's that? Damn, Detox Dude's headquarters 2.0.
What do you think?
Holy cow, we are out here in the middle of nowhere. Woo-wee. Hey! Hey! Wow, look at that thing. Look at those moves.
Are you gonna edit the sound?
Oh yeah, I'll put like rock and roll music to it and stuff. Exploring Josh's property.
Cried like crazy the last couple of days, just non-stop. In my life, I get these hits, these pings, these intuitions. Positive place, magic place. There's all these signs and synchronicities to know that I should be in this next place. And it's bigger than me at this point. It's about transformation.
So, did I bring you to your happy place?
I think so.
Wow, this is how Josh really heals.
This is a stereotypical night of mine. That's how it usually ends.
Wow. Lucky man by the fireplace.
Oh yeah.
Oh yeah.